Welcome to my $100,000 stock experiment, Sell Rules, week number 31. I'm sharing my stock journey as I practice and develop my sell rules. This is basically my video journal of what I'm buying and selling. This isn't an endorsement to purchase any stocks that I've bought, nor is it an endorsement to purchase stocks in general. My focus is on my sell rules. It needs daily attention and it's not a buy and hold strategy. There's stock ideas out there galore. You can get them from IBD meetups, talking to people, investors.com, MarketSmith, places you visit. People make comments in my YouTube and just conversations and emails, chatting with friends. So when I buy a stock, it's not always my own independent idea, but I have gone and looked at the chart and made a decision whether or not that stock fits in my portfolio or not. My basic premise is that I started April 13th, 2018. I had $100,000 to invest. My goal is to double my money in 1 year. My focus is on practicing and developing my sell rules. And I'm trading in my Roth IRA, so I have free trades there and I don't have any tax implications. My sell rules are, I try and keep them pretty basic. I sell a stock if it falls 8% below the purchase price. I set an alert at that floor when I buy the stock. I'll hold stocks if they're moving sideways with not much price fluctuation for 4 to 6 weeks. I want my stocks to be gaining a minimum of 0.5% a week. And after the stock gains 10%, I change the floor to the violation of the 20-day exponential moving average. I also watch stocks that I've sold to look for any repurchase opportunities. The market direction changed from being in correction to a confirmed uptrend on Wednesday, November 7th. So I did lots of buying this week. Here's a list of my buys. I'm recording my purchases, each one separately. It's like a 2-minute video, and you can find them at my $100,000 stock journey. And you can see this is what they look like. So if you want to review the purchases I made in the last week, you can do that online there. I'm going to go over the stocks that I've held for more than a week. So this is Lululemon. It is down 4.3% in 3.6 weeks. So I need to, I'm not sure how much longer I'm going to give this stock a chance to come back, but I'll probably hold it another week or two. And the next three stocks I've just held a little over a week. So this one I've held 1.4 weeks and it is up 3.8%, HQY. VRSK is up 5% again in 1.4 weeks. Looks like it's having a nice run up. And Omnicell is up 1.6% in 1.4 weeks. My current holdings based on dollar value is over on the left, and I sort this by the lowest holding up on the top. Data, EVOP, and Lululemon are my lowest holdings, and they are struggling to stay above that 9,200 line, which is 8% below my purchase price. So those ones may need to be cut. We'll see if they come back in the next week. And the four best performers, which are all up almost 5 or 6%, are in the green down at the bottom. On the right-hand side is the percentage change either for the week, if I've held it for more than a week, or if it is when I purchased this week, it's the change since I purchased it. So it happens to be that when I sort by the losers on the top, the 3 losers correspond to the 3 losers in my current holdings, but that's not always the case. And down at the bottom, the 4 best performers, although in a different order, are the same stocks. This is my current holding bar chart for stocks that I've held for more than a week. So you can see in the middle there in the orange, Lululemon, I've highlighted the symbol name in red, is not doing too well. It's struggling to hold its own, and it's getting close to that 9,200 line that represents my 8% loss. The stock here that's performing well is highlighted the name in green, VRSK, and it's up just about 5%. These are stocks that I've only held for a week, so there's not much comparison in the charts except against each other's stocks. The two on the left-hand side, Data and EVOP, are struggling to stay above the 9,200 floor, and the three over on the right all have nice gains. Two in the middle are just about even. Here's a breakdown of my industry and sectors. So now I have stocks in retail, medical, business services, banks, finance, software, and chemicals. So I have a good mix. And my benchmark shows finally, after several weeks of decline, I've started to go up. So my portfolio is up 26% since I started 31 weeks ago. My transaction history for November shows that I still have 15 grand cash balance, so I can still buy one more stock next week, even if I don't sell anything. Thanks for watching. Keep an eye out for my next episode, or better yet, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell if you want alerts when I post my next episode.